Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can pay with Paysafecard in Eneba. So for that, we can see the legit method. Like to pay with Paysafecard on Eneba, you'll need to select Paysafecard as your payment method during checkout and enter your 16-digit Paysafecard code. So this problem is common, as you can see in here Reddit. Someone also questioned, I don't see Paysafecard payment method on Eneba, please help. So as you can see, there are many questions regarding to this problem. So let's just see how you can do that. So for that, first of all, you have to select Paysafecard as your payment method when you reach the checkout page on Eneba, and then enter your Paysafecard code. You will be prompted to enter the 16-digit code printed on your Paysafecard voucher, and then you have to confirm your purchase, review the details of your purchase and confirm it to complete the payment. And there are some alternative methods. If Paysafecard is not directly available, you can buy from retailers that accept Paysafecard, and you can also use a virtual Visa card. Some platforms offer virtual Visa cards that can be topped up with Paysafecard and then use the online purchase. So let's check on some important consideration, like the availability of Paysafecard as a payment method may vary depending on the product, vendor and region. And Eneba utilizes hyperwallet payment services, so the hyperwallet terms of services and privacy policy may apply. So that's how you can pay with Paysafecard on Eneba. Hope this video helps, and see you on the next one.